Hello everyone. So I'm going to start a series of JavaScript projects where I'll be creating or building small JavaScript projects. Like today I'll be going to build a counter, and next video will be on to-do list, calculator, and so many small projects. So to understand the basics of JavaScript. Okay. So let's use a boilerplate of HTML. Okay, and here we are going to build a counter. That means this will show that instead of counter we can say countdown to 2025. Okay, where we'll be showing how many days, how many hours, how many minutes, and how many seconds are remaining for 1st January. So today is the 26th December, and right now it is 9:58. And just a minute, it is a 9:59. Okay, and from today how many days? It will be 5 days, maybe some 2 hours, 1 minute, and some seconds. So this is what we want to display. Okay, so how we will do this is we want to calculate, right? So we want to write a JavaScript for that. Okay, so let's write a script, and we'll write a one function that is update count. So it's not like we just want to create, okay, and refresh every time. So instead of that, we'll be calling this method after every second. Okay, using some set interval this function. Okay, so in this function, what we are going to do is, first what we want current time, that is now. New date new date Okay, so we'll get the current time. Now const is new year is when it is on 1st January. So we'll pass January 1, 2025, and this is the number of hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, now we want how much time left. Okay, so time left is equal to new year minus now. So this will return what? This will return in milliseconds. Okay. Now, first I want to calculate number of days. So const days is equal to, and what we want like precisely 5 days, 3 days, 2 days, not 2.5 days or 3.5. So it is a mat.floor everywhere. Okay. And then calculate. So time left divided by, okay, as it is in the milliseconds. So first we will divide it by 1,000. Okay, multiplied by, in a day how many number of hours are there? 24 number of hours. Okay, and 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So you'll get the number of days. Okay, now const hours. Okay, hours is equal to mat dot floor time left divided by 1,000 is for milliseconds, multiplied by, in 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. In 1 minute how many seconds? 60 seconds. But the thing is, here we will get a total number of hours, but we don't want a total number of hours. What we want, after 5 days how many hours are remaining, that we want. So what we will do, we will do percent 20. Here we will do percent 24. Okay, so we will get the number of hours. Now we will calculate the number of minutes. So number of minutes is equal to mat.floor time left divided by 1,000, as it is in the milliseconds, into how many seconds are there in 1 minute is 60. Now it will return what? Total number of minutes, but we don't want a total number of minutes. We want only, let's say it's a 5 days. Now it will be 1 hour, and then there are how many minutes? Let's say 20 minutes or 25 minutes. So what we want to do percent 60. Okay, because in 60, so this will be like in a day 24 hours will be there, right? So accordingly we will do the 24%, so that it will be what are the remaining number of hours that we will get. Here we will do the percent 60, so we will get what are the remaining number of minutes from that hour. Okay, now again what we want to do, we want to do seconds. Okay, now mat.float time left divided by 1,000 into, in 1 seconds. Okay, so 1,000, this will return what? Number of seconds, percent what? 60, because we want only those seconds which are remaining than that minutes. So 2 minutes 30 seconds, 2 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, so here we got days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Now what we want to do, okay, so now we have calculated this is the script, okay, JavaScript code. We want to show it, right? So for that we have to write HTML code. So I'll use one div and one h1, let's say countdown to 2025, and I'll use one h3, and we'll be setting this data to this h3. So I'll use id as a count here, and we'll be using, let's say, document dot query selector, and here we'll use a hash as it is a id, hash count dot text content is equal to, okay, we'll use this operator, I mean this one, and days, how many days, this dates, okay, how many hours is hours, minutes is minutes, and seconds, wait, here no, yeah, here seconds has this seconds, okay. So this is where we have set this. Now what we want to update this, right, every time, I mean calculate. So we will pass this function, and after how many seconds, 1 second, this is 1,000 millisecond, that means 1 second, okay. So let's, you can install a live server, okay, for this. Here you can see we got, yeah. Now here you can see days 5 hours 1 minutes 53 and seconds 38, and it is updating at every second. Okay, so in this way you can build a simple countdown, okay, or counter you can say, and just for fun, like you can understand, right, which this function, you can understand this query selector. So for to understand the basic concept of JavaScript, you have to build such small projects, okay, so that you'll get to know like only small things and all. Then only you will be able to build a big projects where you will not face any issues regarding basic concepts, okay. So in this way we can build this. You can add some css to it and all, okay. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you want a JavaScript concepts playlist, then please comment on this video. I'll try to make, or I'll try to cover all JavaScript basics at least in another video. Maybe I'll make a one shot or a playlist. Okay. Thank you so much.